Hello beautiful people, in this video I'm going to show you how to install an aFe cold air intake. Let's get started. Alright, let me just unpack it. Let's see what's inside the box so that we can start assembling. Here it is. Everything that's needed, including all the clamps. We're good to go. This is going to be for a Dodge Charger, but with the 3.6 liter Pentastar engine. Alright, so let me just go to the car and start installing it. Before we start doing that, I do want to say thanks to MB Grams for sending this kit for review. Also, I'm going to leave, you know what? Let me go to the computer, show you everything that they have, so that you can go. They have a lot of stuff, a lot of racing stuff. So let's just go see what they have. And there it is. You saw they have a lot of good stuff, a lot of racing stuff. So go ahead, go to their website. It's that website right there. Just go to it, get yourself some racing equipment, some stuff for your cars and everything. All right, let's get started installing this intake, cold air intake. All right, guys, this is a 3.6 liter Pentastar engine. This is my wife's car. This is my wife's Charger. She already had something like this, but this is no good. We're gonna put something even better. So let me just take it apart, go ahead and install it. There it is. You saw how quick it is to remove. Now let's start bringing in the new one. All right, let's start off by preparing this housing. I'm just going to put this sealed all the way around here so it can seal underneath the car. and go from there. Let me just put it on, cut it to size, and go. Alright, on this particular model of car, my wife's car doesn't have a vent port that goes towards the front. So I'm going to have to cover it. They do provide you with that seal. I'm going to cover it up, and that'll be good. Now this port also works for the Challengers. I think they have like a little intake funnel, I believe, that will get the air from the outside. But this car doesn't, so I'm just going to cover it up. There it is. Real simple to install. Looks real good. All I need to do is just put the cover back on and we're good to go. But hit up that website. You'll find a lot of good stuff. This is a very good cold air intake. So this will be it, guys. And there it is, guys. Looks good. I hope my wife likes it. And this will be it. This will be it for this video, guys. Thank you. Like, share, subscribe, and hit the little bell icon so you can be notified whenever I upload a video. And like always, God bless. Alright, my wife has been using it for about a week. She tells me that throttle response is a lot quicker, a lot better. So it's been working for her perfectly. I do recommend it, guys. The link is right there if you want to get yourself one.